Good morning everyone. Today we will solve problems related to estimation of missing terms. Okay. Now what is estimation of missing terms? Suppose we are given a set of observations. Suppose x is the variable. For x we are given few values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And corresponding function is fx. Okay. And for x the fx is 7 we know, but for x equal to 2 the value of fx is not known. Okay, again for 3 we know the value, that is 13. Again for 4 we know the value is 21, and for 5 value is 47, but one value of fx is missing. Using this technique, estimation of missing observations or missing value, we can find out this missing value of fx. Okay, and we can utilize the data. Now how to find out this missing value? Okay, so here you have to remember one thing. In You remember in one thing that we can assume here fx as a polynomial. Okay, and polynomial of some degree. Okay, and degree will actually depends on the number of values of fx given. Okay, suppose here for fx 1, 2, 3, 4 values of fx are given, so we will assume that fx is a polynomial of degree 3. Okay, if 4 values are given, then we will assume that fx is a polynomial of degree 3. Okay, जो भी वैल्यू दिया हुआ होगा, फॉर जितना भी नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज दिया हुआ होगा फॉर एफ उसके एक कम लेंगे हम उसकी पॉलिनोमियल को डिग्री, एफ को हम पॉलिनोमियल एज्यूम करेंगे और उसकी डिग्री को एक कम लेंगे जितने भी वैल्यूज दिए हुए होंगे एफ से. Okay, now let us try to solve this problem. Okay, solution. Since 4 values of fx are given, so we assume that fx is a polynomial of degree 3 here. Okay, we will assume that fx is a polynomial of degree 3, and according to fundamental theorem of finite difference, delta cube fx is a polynomial of degree 3, so delta cube fx we will get a constant. Okay, because power of the delta and degree of the function polynomial is same, so we will get a constant according to fundamental theorem of finite difference. So higher data difference will be what? 0 according to the fundamental theorem of finite difference. If delta cube fx is a constant, then delta to the power 4 fx is a, remember fx is a polynomial of degree 3. Okay, then delta to the power 4 fx will be 0 for all values of x. Okay, now we will try to solve this. Now for x we will put a value, and this is true for all values of x. Okay, so here since one value is missing, so we need one equation to find out this missing observations. So first of all, for x we will put the first value of x, that is 1. Okay, let us put x equal to 1. Okay, we always start from the beginning. Okay, so first we will put x equal to 1. So delta to the power 4 f of 1 equal to 0, taking x is equal to 1. For delta we can also write e minus 1. Okay, since from the relationship between delta and e, delta is equal to e minus 1, so e minus 1 whole thing to the power 4, f of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now e minus 1 whole thing to the power 4 we can express like this way. This is actually binomial expansion, and we can find out this using Pascal's triangle very easily, that we have already discussed in our earlier classes, how to express e minus 1 whole thing to the power 4. Okay, like this way using Pascal triangle. Okay, so f of 1 equal to 0. Okay, next what we are going to do, next see e to the power 4 f of 1, 4 e cube f of 1, 6 e square f of 1, 4 e f of 1 plus f of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, then we will shift operator e on the functions separately. So what we will get for this, we know that e to the power r fx is equal to f of x plus rh. Okay, for this what will be here? For this f of 5, for this e to the power 4, e to the power 4 f of 1, how can we write it? F of x, what is the value of x here? 1. RH, what is the value of r? That is the power of e, that is 4. H is what? Here see the difference between the values of x. See the difference between the values of x here, 1. Okay, h is equal to 1 here, because 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to 1, 5 minus 1 is equal to 1. Interval of differencing is 1 in this case. Okay, so I am putting in place of x is equal to 1, which is equal to f of 5. So like this way I have got f of 5 minus 4 f of 4 plus 6 f of 3 minus 4 f of 2 plus f of 1 is equal to 0, which implies 37, because value for f of 5 is 37 here. See, value for f of 5 is sorry, it should be 47. It should be 47. Then 4 into f of 4, what is the value of f of 4? It is equal to 21 plus 6 f of 3, that is 78. Then 4 f of 2, f of 2 is not known here, then f of 1 is equal to 7. Okay, after doing the calculation we will get f of 2 is equal to 12. Fine.